Hi guys, it's Tanya, and today we're going to be making the best apple pie you've ever had in your life. So let's get started. Use the recipe below to gather your ingredients. Measure out your flour. Then add your salt and then your sugar. Chop the butter up into little cubes. And mash into your flour using a fork. Slowly add 12 tablespoons of water until the right consistency. Did you know that Johnny Appleseed planted more than 100,000 square miles of apple orchards across the eastern United States? However, many of these weren't so sweet, so it's thought that most of them went into making cider, which was the most popular drink of choice before the Prohibition era. That led to the Prohibition era, and the Prohibitionists chopped down the apple orchards, which destroyed hundreds of apple varieties unique to the United States. Thus, beer became the drink of choice. How about them apples? They should have just made pie. When your dough becomes a nice ball, wrap it and place it in the fridge. Peel your apples, quarter them, and de-seed them. And slice them all thinly. Squeeze your lime juice over the apples, making sure not to let any seeds in. Sprinkle with cinnamon and then toss to combine and set aside. Now we're going to make the sauce. Start by melting the butter. Then add the flour, stir, then add the sugars, add the water, stir, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Once it comes to a boil and the sugar is dissolved, turn off the heat and set aside. Preheat your oven 425 Fahrenheit. Grab your dough and cut it into 2 sections. Using flour, roll out this first one to be your bottom crust. Now press up the sides to make it fit the pan perfectly. Mound your apples in. Drizzle 1/3 of the sauce over the apples. Now roll out the second crust for the lattice topping. Have fun with this. You can make any shapes you'd like. drizzle the rest of the remaining sauce all over the top of the pie and in the lattice holes without letting any drip off. Ready to bake 15 minutes at 425 Fahrenheit and 45 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Let cool before serving. Guys, this pie is super fun and easy to make, and it is sure to impress all of your friends and family. You can do it.